What's going on, my dudes? So today we're gonna go to Ducati of Newport Beach. I got the bike loaded, as you already saw, and I'm gonna get my clear clutch kit installed, and I'm super excited for that because I bought this kit a long time ago, but I haven't had a chance to install it yet. My good buddy Rambo, he's gonna be going to my mom's house, and he's gonna spend the day over there. Rambo, you ready to go to mom's house? Okay, let's go. Rambo always gets excited when I bring him to my mom's house. He likes it here. Come on, buddy, let's go. Let's go. He's so excited. Let's go, let's go.
Moments later.
Woo! Exciting. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, there she is. Ooh, that looks pretty. Let's fire it up. All right. That looks pretty. Nice. So my friend's driving the Porsche in front of me, and I'm currently in Malibu. Decided to take the drive up here after going to Ducati of Newport Beach, and we're getting a nice little ride in PCH at the moment. Oh, I always wanted to ride in Malibu. I just wish it was a sunny day. Can't get everything. There's a lot of traffic here. Wasn't expecting that, but this is LA after all. Pretty fun to be riding somewhere different. I'm liking this. I usually don't ride outside of San Diego. It's a unique experience riding on a road that I'm not used to. Actually, I do from the car because I've been here on the car a lot, but on a motorcycle it's a way different experience. It's really cool though. I had to get him out of here with the Porsche though. Why not? Say hello. Mountains are all covered up. Foggy. That turbo is so fast. Not as fast as this though. Malibu's so fun to ride. I always wanted to ride in LA. It's one of those places that are so cool. It's like you can never get bored in LA. There's so much to do, so many places to go to. The canyons are definitely someplace I definitely want to go to, but at the current moment I think it looks like it might be cloudy up there or foggy, so, and probably a lot of slippery roads, so might avoid that area. I think its turbo has like 600 plus horsepower. It's nice to ride a motorcycle along with a car. It's something I've never done before, so consider this a first for me. This is a lot of fun. It's great that there's very little traffic. We're talking LA here. You want to grab coffee?
No, I stopped here to because there's an unofficially official like Porsche like fucking meetup here every day.
Really? Oh shit!
It's like all these car review guys like John Lieberman, Matt Farah, what's his name?
I should join them because I review motorcycles.
Dude, they're here every day almost, unless they're filming, you know.
Okay, I was thinking about the canyons, but it's cloudy up there, so it's not a good idea.
Yeah, we can just go straight into
I think it's better.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go straight all the way down and then stop back here for coffee.
Okay.
Okay? Malibu's most wanted, baby. Oh, that's nice. Pretty. That is pretty. God, PCH is so wonderful. Malibu doesn't look like it's on lockdown after all. There's a lot of cars here.